ionic crystal. Ionic compound or electrovalent compounds means those compound which have electrovalent bond or ionic bond. Since ionic bond or electrovalent bond is obtained due to strong electrostatic attraction between cation and anion. So due to strong attraction, constituents that is cation and anion are closely bounded to each other. They are in close contact of each other. Hence, density increases and it forms solid state. In crystalline sense or in solid state of ionic compounds, shape depends at the radius ratio of cation and anion. Radius ratio that is R plus and R minus. Plus means for cation and minus means for anion. Coordination number. And shape. If radius ratio ranges from 0.155 to 0.225, then coordination number is 3. And each cation is surrounded by 3 anion and each anion is surrounded by 3 cation and vice versa. Shape is trigonal, planar. If radius ratio of cation and anion ranges between 0.225 to 0.414, then coordination number is 4. That is, each cation is surrounded by 4 anion and each anion is surrounded by 4 cation. Say tetrahedron. If radius ratio of cation and anion ranges between 0.414 to 0.732, then coordination number would be 6. That means each cation of the ionic crystal is surrounded by 6 anion and each anion is surrounded by 6 cation in its lattice. Shape octahedron. And if radius ratio of cation and anion ranges between 0.732 to 1, then coordination number would be 8 and shape will be D BCC, body centered cubic. Now some idea about magnetic property. As you know, substance is built up by molecules, and molecules are built up by atoms. Each atom has nucleus around which electrons revolve. The motion of electron in atom around nucleus is of the two types. That is, circular motion means electron spins around the nucleus. Electron revolves around the nucleus. And spinning motion. Electron spins at its own axis, either in clockwise direction or in anti-clockwise direction. The spinning motion of electron, that is clockwise and anti-clockwise motion of electron, spinning motion of electron is responsible for the magnetic behavior of any substance. If all electrons are paired, then resultant magnetic moment of electrons due to clockwise spin is just equal to the magnetic moment of electrons of anti-clockwise spin. Hence, both cancel to each other. Hence, net or resultant magnetic moment is zero. Thus, first type of substance has no magnetic moment and it does not attract in magnetic field, or it is not attracted by magnet in magnetic field. On other hand, if some unpaired electrons are available, then particular substance have a little magnetic moment due to small number of spinning electrons. When it is subjected, it is placed in the external magnetic field. Magnetic moment is set up, but this moment is not permanent. When external magnetic field is removed, alignment of electrons disturbed. The third type of substance having few number of unpaired electrons. So, slow attraction towards magnet in the magnetic field is regarded as paramagnetic material or paramagnetic substance. If substance has maximum number of unpaired electrons and each electrons are of the similar spinning motion, that is all in clockwise or all electrons in spin clockwise, anti-clockwise spinning direction, then when it is subjected to the external magnetic field, all electrons are permanently oriented in the direction of external magnetic field and set up permanent magnetic moment. After removal of external magnetic field, magnetic property of such material is not changed. Hence, substance like this is regarded as ferromagnetic substance or ferromagnetic material. In case of anti-ferromagnetic substance has maximum number of unpaired electrons, but spinning direction of unpaired electrons are just reverse with respect to each other. Here there is a distinction between diamagnetic and anti-ferromagnetic. In diamagnetic material, electrons are paired initially hence cancel the effect of each other. In antiferromagnetic substance, electrons are totally unpaired, and unpaired electrons are set up in two orientation, half in clockwise and half in anti-clockwise. In spite of presence of all unpaired electrons, it is unable to show magnetic moment. Its magnetic moment is zero. The first substance is known as anti-ferromagnetic substance. And ferrimagnetic substance, it has also a lot of unpaired electrons, out of which maximum electrons speed in clockwise and minimum in anti-clockwise. A reverse of this is also correct. Maximum oriented in anti-clockwise and minimum in clockwise. The clockwise and anti-clockwise cancel the effect of each other in equal number. Remaining electrons are responsible to show magnetic moment. The for such substance, magnetic moment is very little, very minimum, as expected value. The first type of substance is regarded as ferrimagnetic substance. Paramagnetic, having one or two unpaired electron per atom. Ferromagnetic, having more than two unpaired electrons per atom. In such substance placed in external magnetic field, permanent magnetic field set up in substance hence it has maximum magnetic moment. Now diamagnetic substance. diamagnetic substance the substance है paired electron in each pair one spin in clockwise while other in anti-clockwise. Thus, magnetic moment is zero. Antiferromagnetic substance has unpaired electron but magnetic moment is zero. Four unpaired electrons in clockwise and four unpaired in anti-clockwise. And this system cancels the magnetic moment of each other. Hence, resultant magnetic moment is zero. So, in spite of presence of unpaired electron, it is neither ferromagnetic or paramagnetic. And last, and heavy magnetic substance has unpaired electron but magnetic moment is very small than expected value. Four anti-parallel spinning electrons cancel the effect of four clockwise spinning electrons. Thus, only two clockwise spinning electrons are in remaining. So due to action of minimum number of unpaired electrons after cancellation of each other, its magnetic moment becomes few, very minimum, very little. And such type of substance always shows very minimum magnetic moment than expected by